As in the first part of the video, in Subcon profile section, we have seen the achievement Subcon has done and also the industries Subcon has covered. In DCS roadmap section, we have seen the upgradation and improvement Subcon has done in both software and the hardware section. Now we will see the total automation solution Subcon has given in the process industry. First of all, field instrument section. In field instrument section, Subcon has providing EMF series electromagnetic flow meter which is used for the measurement of various conductive liquid and support the communication like GPRS, Bluetooth, wireless, Modbus and hard communication. In pressure transmitter, Subcon has two series, CGT series for smart pressure transmitter and CXT series for high accuracy pressure transmitter. These pressure transmitter is used for the measurement of pressure flow and liquidity. Also, Subcon is providing control valves such as high pressure control valve, discharge valve, high pressure ball valve, O-type ball valve, pneumatic butterfly valve, eccentric rotating control valve, V-type ball valve, cage guided control valve, and top guided single seat control valve. Subcon is also providing recorders such as operation recorder, data acquisition unit, and paperless recorders. These recorders provide mass flow compensation, can store long-term history data records. We can transfer this history data record via USB to display on PC. It can support communication including RS-232 and RS-485. These recorders can support math function. These recorders can directly get values from analog input, pulse input, and digital input and can generate output for analog and digital signals. Subcon is also providing a handheld battery-powered X2 series process calibrator that can measure and source a variety of electrical parameters. Subcon is also providing HD 5500EX series isolator barriers for RTD temperature transmitter, thermocouple temperature transmitter, and analog transmitter signals. As well as these can be used for the repeater power supply. After the instrument layer, the second layer in the process automation is PCS, process control system layer. In the process PCS, Subcon has ECS 700 DCS for large scale integrated plant, ECS 100 DCS which is for medium scale system but it is obsoleted now. Then we have JX 300 XP flexible DCS system used for small to medium scale system. Then in PCS, Subcon currently has two PLC series with the name of GCS3 and GCS5. Also, in PCS, Subcon has safety instrument system with the name of TCS 900. All the software for the above system is also included in the PCS layer, which are Advantrol, VL Field, etc. The third layer in the process automation is MES, Manufacturing Execution System, which is basically used in plant to track and document the transformation of their raw material to the finished good. First software in is APC suite, Advanced Process Control Software. The Advanced Process Control Software work on a model which we called Model Predictive Control Solution. This is a method in which software gather information of the plant when the operator run the plant on its best efficiency and operator take the action when an error came. In short, you can say that APCs work as a smart operator which instantly take action by itself without disturbing the process. The values we are normally seeing from our DCS is single input and single output. In a PID, we have one input against which we generate output. But in advanced process control system, We have multiple inputs against which we generate multiple output to control our process without disturbing the whole process. Then we have a PID, performance evaluation control software, which is basically used to optimize PID parameter to help and improve the performance of control loop. It can evaluate hundred of control loops simultaneously and recognize the defect in control loops. Then we have MES suite, manufacturing execution software system, which is basically used in trace timely information of the production process, the quality of the product, energy consumption, and raw material based on the production batch. Then we have a PIM solution for online real-time data monitoring of your plant or your mobile on SIM Field mobile app, in which you can get real-time HMIs, trend alarms, statistical analysis in reports. Then we have ISIS real-time database software, which is used for the collection and calculation of data simultaneously, which is coming from PLC, DCS, OPC server, Modbus slave, Excel, and any custom interference such as intelligence instrument. Also, it give help monitoring of data transmission links. Then Subcon is also providing fourth layer ERP solution with the software S2 Enterprise Resource Planning System, which can be used to provide decision making information for senior management with respect to benefit and risk through financial and business integration. It provides planning management, sales management, procurement management, warehouse management, quality management, cost management, and business intelligence. As we have seen the complete automation solution, Subcon has providing covering all the four layers required for process industry business, including field instrumentation, process control station, MES, and ERP solution. Now we see the real example of in-plant solution. Let's pause. The above picture show the total solution for a sugar industry. We see the section 1 is at boiler and turbine side. This section has some heart modules in the field. So we have used IO heart card. It has to communicate with turbine generator system via Profibus DP module. So we have used Profibus DP module with GX300XP. And for communication with ECS700, we are using COM71 card of ECS700 for its communication with GX300XP IO modules. In section 2, we have one ESD system for which we are using TCS 900. In one part, let's suppose in pan automation, we have field bus instrumentation. We get this field bus instrumentation in ECS 700 with AM712 module, which is field bus communication module. The instrumentation include in different section will communicate with the system via different communication protocol like Modbus, Profibus, and HART. All the field control station combined with the main EC700 system for centralized monitoring of the system. In section 3, let's suppose this section is on the bagging side of the plant. It contains different PLCs like GCS G3 and GCS G5. These PLCs are connected with the touch panel and wireless instrumentation. The highlighted section 4 contain layer 1 field instrumentation and layer 2 PCS layer. You can see that we have Modbus OPC server which get data from PLC and communicate with CCR. Also in this layer we have a SCADA operating station, engineering station for configuration of all the feed control station. Also you can see that data historian server, HIS, batch control system and ESD operating station was present. The highlighted section 5 is MES layer in which you have advanced process control
Suite, MES Suite, Automatic PID Control, and PIM solution. All of the above, you have also the ERP solution for the business decision making purpose. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any question or any suggestion, you can ask me via comment or you can directly contact me on phone or email ID.